Okay. Online students, offline students, did you join class? Okay, thank you. I'm not starting camera. Okay. I am on the middle of the road taking class side. Okay. I'm in the car taking class. So, can you hear me? Keep replying. Voice breaking up. Okay, middle voice will break. Don't worry. Voice lagging, breaking. Now, is it clear? Okay. So last class, okay, keep respond in the chat window so that I'll come to know whether you are listening or not. Okay. I mean, my voice is coming to you or not. Don't keep on listen. Only reply. Yesterday, voice not coming up. Again, voice issue now. Okay. So try to listen. Okay. If not comfortable, then we will have class tomorrow. Okay. Audio problem. Okay then. Okay. Will you practice? Yeah, then do one thing. You practice the checked exception rules. Okay. Checked exception rules are there, no? 6 rules are there, right? Yesterday I have explained 4 rules. Remaining 2 rules are pending. Just to see the material, you will understand. Okay. I think it seems to be voice is clear now. Cleared now? Okay then. Let's continue class. Middle, 1 or 2 minutes if it is missing, don't worry. Okay. Okay. Now let's try to understand one small point. User defined exception. What is the exception? User defined exception. We have throwable, we have subclass error, we have subclass exception, and we have many other subclasses of error exception classes. All these are predefined exceptions given by Sun Microsystem. Okay. Okay, now is it clear? Now, all these exceptions are not suitable to handle the business problem of our projects. For example, I want to develop a bank application. In a bank application, I have 2 issues. What are the 2 issues? Now, user may give me negative number in deposit withdrawal. I should not accept. Second, user may give the amount greater than the balance, which should not be accepted. In your bank, you have 10,000, but user trying to withdraw 20,000, should not accept. So now these 2 business problems cannot be handled by the predefined exceptions given by Sun. Then what to do? We must create our own exception. Am I right? For example, your father has constructed one house. when he's constructing the house, he construct one bedroom or two bedroom only for his family. What is his family? He, his wife, your mother, and children. Now you got married. Then is that house sufficient for you? No. What you have to do? You yourself, with your salary, you are constructing one new house now. That is called user defined. You are constructing house according to your wish. That is called user defined. When Sun Micro system given predefined classes are not suitable to our project requirement, we must create our own exception. Understand? The exception newly created by the developer is called exception. The user defined exception created by the developer is called user defined exception or custom exception. Okay. How to create user defined exception? Why is breaking up? No, no. Somebody saying why is breaking? Okay. So how can I create a user defined exception? Simple. Now tell me, if I create a class called A, is it considered as user defined exception? Just I created a class called A. Then is it considered as exception? No. Am I right? If you just create class called A, is it considered as a exception? No. It is considered as object. Class A is a object class. Class A is a object class. Now, I want to create a class as a exception class. Then what should I do now? It should be subclass of throwable now. Yes or no? It should be a subclass of throwable. Throwable or one of its subclasses. So tell me, just by creating class A is not considered as an exception class. Am I right? Then what to do? You must create a class deriving from come on, deriving from subclasses. Look at this diagram. Observe this diagram. Everyone can see this screen. Look at there. I have throwable. Here observe. This one, TH. TH means what? Throwable. And we have another subclass called error. And we have another subclass called exception. And we have another subclass called runtime exception. Considered as exception classes. If I create class A, just class A, open bracket, closed bracket, is it considered as a exception class? No. I must create it as a subclass of throwable or error or exception or runtime exception. Then it is considered as a exception. Then I can throw its object, throw space. You want to create a class as a animal. Look at the right side corner. I'm repeating. Lion extends animal. When you create it as a deriving from animal. Am I right? If right? Okay, then let's see tomorrow then. If he say voice is breaking. Okay, now? Shall I get tomorrow? Is it audible now? Audible? Okay, then listen. Middle, maybe 1 minute face problem. Okay. So just try to adjust that 1 minute. Is it okay? Maybe in the middle, just 1 minute, you may face problem. That 1 minute, if you adjust, then we can continue the class. When voice is not good, I will repeat the point. you know, you are, desperately looking for a holiday now today. Try to understand yourself. Not clear. Okay, then chalo. See you tomorrow then. Okay, tomorrow as usual, offline online classes will be there. Okay, now tomorrow we'll have offline online class as usual. So please practice custom checked exception rules. Checked exception 6 rules again practice and come tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll continue this. Okay then. Thank you. See you all tomorrow. Offline, online as usual. Thank you.